The holiday season of tricks and treats is right around the corner, and today we're going to get ready for the carnival. I'm going to show you how easy it is to build your own popcorn stand, and then we're going to pop in a bit of terror with some of my favorite carnival-themed Lemax pieces. For this project, what you're going to need is 4 large crates. They all need to be the same size. You're going to need 2 long wooden dowels. You're also going to need an industrial hot glue gun or industrial glue. So we're gonna have 2 crates on the top and the bottom. And then we're going to take our industrial hot glue and we're going to glue them on all sides so they are attached vertically and horizontally. Once your crates are glued, now we need to create our dowels. You can either paint them, or if you want to add some fun texture and have some crepe paper streamers, you can use your glue gun and glue it all the way around. I'm using a 3-foot dowel. Now it's time to attach the dowels to the stand. I added a popcorn banner and some balloons. Now it's time to pop in our popcorn. All right, the popcorn's here. It's time to add a little terror to our carnival popcorn stand with my favorite Lemax pieces. For a big pop of terror on the top of our stand, I added the Web of Terror, which is a moving carousel filled with the spookiest spiders. It lights up and has spooky music. Grab your brooms, ladies, because the carnival is the perfect excuse for a girls' night out. At the bottom of our stand, we're of course going to have a spooky celebration on our way to the candy corner. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go to the carnival. I love this setup, whether it's everyday fun with the family or even a party. Remember, you can find all the Lemax pieces that I shared today at lemaxcollection.com and find the list of authorized retailers where you can purchase them online and in store. That's all I've got for you today. Have fun at the carnival and stay tuned for more fun DIYs to display your favorite Lemax villages.